Own reports say 3,800 people have died in anti-drug operations.
Yes.
3,800 people?
Yes.
You think that's fine?
What do you,
Killed by who? Police officers?
By police officers.
Who've admitted that many of those killings were false killings,
No,
that they were
not,
dressed up.
That's absolutely not true.
Filipino police have not admitted that?
Absolutely true. Yes.
Filipino police officers have not admitted to any false killings?
Absolutely. There are a couple who we caught.
So they have admitted?
No, they have not admitted because they're guilty.
Okay.
No guilty guy would admit. There are a couple of policemen who were caught murdering and they're being charged by murder.
So every single one of the 3,500 people who was killed was a drug dealer?
Yes.
How do we know that? You didn't try them, you didn't prosecute them, you didn't charge them, you shot them on sight.
Isa sa pinaka-ipokrito, pinaka-immoral, yes, and I'm not using that lightly, at pinaka-sinungaling na senador sa bansa ngayon ay si Alan Peter Cayetano.
But this president that you supported, Mr. President, that I supported, sabi niya, titignan ko sa mata ang mga pusher na to at hindi ko sila aatrasan. Never ko po narinig sa kanya na sabihin yung walang laban, patayin. In fact, ang sinabi niya, patay kayo sa aking mga pulis kayo pag umabuso kayo.
Ang sinabi ko, ganito, prangkahan tayo, encourage the criminals to fight.
Siyempre, halos lahat naman ng senador may kanya-kanyang bahid, pero may leveling o metrics din yan. Si 10,000 Cayetano ang dating enabler noong panahon ni Digongyo.
Parang yan yung 10,000 pesos na ibibigay daw niya bawat Filipino family. So, ano lang yan, nambobola lang naman siya.
Marunong magpa-victim kapag convenient.
Because my seatmate here is intimidating me.
You can trust.
No, Madam Chair.
Pero kilala sa attitude problem at pagkabutangero gaya ng principal niyang si Digongyo.
Don't visit them, pare. Pag lugar mo, ilang beses ka nakiusap sa akin eh. Huwag mo ako sigawan. Ilang beses ka rin nakiusap pa. Hanggang doon na. Nag-abroad ka pa eh. Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo?
May pattern talaga ang hypocrisy at bad behavior ni Cayetano. Enabler, sinungaling, at walang remorse. Typical traditional politician, a serial liar indeed. Pero ngayon, matapos kumalat ang chismis na may ICC warrant of arrest na ang kapwa niyang DDS na si Bato de la Rosa biglang todo gamit ng Diyos at rule of law si Galunggong.
Or is this just a demolition job against Duterte so we don't care? Susunod ko nga tanong ko si Jose Rizal, si Duterte pa rin ang pumatay eh. The People's Campaign Against Illegal Drugs is pursued to preserve life of Filipino people and prevent the country into turning into a narco state.
Sa kanyang nakakatawa at napaka-ipokritong press release, sinabi ni Alan Peter Cayetano, "Our nation's strength has always rested on one foundation, our faith in God, in the law, and in the institutions that uphold both." The Supreme Court's rules on extradition proceedings remind us that if we are to restore the people's trust in government, we must once again be a nation guided by principle and law through the aid and guidance of the Almighty and not by the shifting winds of politics or personal prejudice. Talaga lang ha?
Hindi ko po ma-validate yung bilang ng mga sinasabing extrajudicial killings nung panahon ng dating administrasyon.
If you're a human rights advocate, dapat nasa top ng head mo yung mga numbers na to. So I just want to set the record straight because this is part of a pattern. May mga grupo sa Pilipinas, wine-weaponize yung human rights at ginagamit to para siraan yung bansa. Now, do we have a problem with human rights? Do we have extrajudicial killings? Of course.
Dagdag pa niya, and let this be a reminder to all Filipinos, whether in power or in protest, in government or in opposition, that justice must never be used to settle political scores, but to serve truth. The law must not be a weapon to divide us, but a bridge that unites us in fairness, trust, and faith in the system we all depend on. Well, that's a reminder for you and your fellow DDS.
We pray that she learns more about the drug problem and be able to contribute.
Sinampahan ang reklamong drug smuggling at graft sa Justice Department si Representative Pulong Duterte ni dating Senador Antonio Trillanes IV.
So every single one of the 3,500 people who was killed was a drug dealer?
Yes.
How do we know that? You didn't try them, you didn't prosecute them, you didn't charge them, you shot them on sight. That's not a democratic way of solving crime, is it?
You're absolutely saying it as if you're not on the ground. Come and look. So if I pull a gun on you here right now and you shoot me, it's your fault? Or it's my fault?
That's not what I asked. I said 3,500 people have been killed by the police.
3,500 people.
Are they all criminal drug dealers?
Ang sinabi ko, ganito, prangkahan tayo, encourage the criminals to fight.
Para kay Cayetano at sa mga kagaya niyang DDS, okay lang pumatay ng mga tinatawag nilang adik. Si Digongyo mismo ang nagsabi, encourage them na manlaban. Ang problema sa mga politikong ganito at sa mga panatiko nila, ginagawa nilang bobo ang mga Pilipino.
So I think we have to stop politicizing the campaign against drug and come with a consensus.
Samantalang sila mismo ang sumira sa due process at rule of law nung sila ang nasa kapangyarihan. No, it doesn't work that way.